Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shady here, and today we're going to be doing another Snoop Slimes unboxing. And it's been about a year, so I'm ready to get right into this one. Today I ordered 3 slimes. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'm so excited. First we have our little care card and Zots, which I always remember getting Zots from her, so yeah. The care card comes with a little bit of borax and some very nice instructions on the back. She also added in an extra squishy. Super cute. And then we have our slimes. She threw in another extra squishy. Very cute. So first we're gonna do the golden honey clear slime. I was very excited to receive this one. It's a beautiful honey color. Let's get right into it. I love her containers and all of her art. Oh, she's pretty. This has sponges in it. Just smelling it. It smells a little bit like honey. It smells really good. Has a few little cute bee charms and some of these like crystal looking charms. They're super cute. Here are the bee ones. It also came with this little like honey stick thing, which I love. These slimes came very fast, and I love, and her slime shop every week sells out so fast. So these are definitely top priority slimes right now, very high demand. So yeah, I think I'd give this slime like a 9 out of 10. It's not sticky at all. It has a very nice texture. And it's very clear, so yeah, I think about a 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so our experience with the shop was we went to order from the restock, and it's always good to know what you want from just the restock because she doesn't restock her whole shop every week. She's a very high demand slime shop right now, so we totally understand. Even when we had stuff in our cart, it was selling out by the second. So I got these 3 slimes, but they weren't my top choice. But I'm still really glad to have received them and glad that I actually got them before they all sold out. I thought the slime was scented, but I don't actually think it is. But none of her slimes smell like they're from a factory, so I enjoy that part about it. And yeah, overall, I think our slime shop's a really great slime shop. And another thing I love about these slimes is that they have little sponges in them, which is a little hard to see, but they do, to make it look more like honey. And I think it's a great touch because with my personal experience, when you put jelly cubes in a slime, the second you start crushing them, they just like break into 100 little pieces. But these sponges keep it bouncing right back up, and that's another thing I love about this slime. I think I love everything, actually. Okay, guys, so next we have the key lime pie, which I'm so excited about. This is a DIY slime. And yeah, so let's check out this awesome slime. Oh, it smells so good. Her scents are just on point, always. This feels like a thickie or maybe a sliced slime, just a little bit of Daiso clay in the base. It's gorgeous color. It's so soft too. Gives it such a nice touch. And the scent is just on point. I love it. It smells like fresh limes. And yeah, so this is the base. So now we're gonna move on to the crust, testing out the crust. This smells just like graham crackers. I can smell it. I'm not even putting it up to my nose. It smells so good. So I don't actually know what texture this slime is, so let's feel this. Ooh, that's a nice slime. It feels like the mix of an icy and a cloud slime. It is a little hard to get out of the container, but we can take our time. There we go. Okay, so I know, oh yeah, and then we have these little accessories, which we will be displaying more in a minute. And you are supposed to put it in this little container to make the base, but I'm gonna use a plate because I think it will be a little easier. Okay guys, so immediately I'm going to put the crust down and make it look like a real key lime pie. This smells so good, like I could not even believe it. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. So next I'm gonna put in the pie filling and the decorations. I'm so pleased with this. This slime was so fun to make, very interactive, and it even came with this cute little metal spoon, which I'm definitely keeping. This is tiny and adorable. And this slime is just so gorgeous, so fun to make. It doesn't even look like a slime, so. By the way, these slimes are not edible, so don't eat them. They just smell like they are. Okay, so we have a Daiso whipped cream swirl, and then we have this cute little plastic lime. This slime is so good. That Daiso whipped cream was really fun to smush. All of this together smells so good. I think our house will smell great for like a month. This little spoon is such a good extra detail. Love it. It's turning this pretty like orangish color. I didn't know that it would make this color, but I love it. Big stretch. So overall for this slime, I give it about a 10 out of 10. I know that's a very good review, but this slime had everything, all qualities that were good to it. It was interactive, it smells great, not sticky at all. Yeah, I think all of the elements were just there, so yeah, I give it about a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so the next slime we have today is the brown sugar boba soft serve. So excited to get into this one. It's another DIY slime. And I just noticed that this spoon actually did come with the brown sugar boba slime, and not the key lime pie, but it's still very fun to play with. Oh, it smells very good. I can't tell what the scent is, but it maybe like vanilla, something very sweet. It smells delicious. It's a very soft texture, and it's over a really nice slime. And it also can't be a DIY slime without something to do with it. So let's add in the clay. In here we have a cute little ice cream, whipped cream, some sort of cute topping made out of diced clay. And then in here we have our liquid, like the brown sugar. So we're gonna go ahead and play with this for a second. It's a beautiful clear slime. Has these faux tapioca pearls in them. It's gorgeous brown color. We can use some of this. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in a cup to make it look like a drink. We're gonna put this in the bottom. I would say I'm a boba connoisseur myself. So here we go. The details in these slimes are so good. I love Daiso clay. It's so fun, and it makes a butter consistency, and the slime gets made into a butter consistency after you play with it. It really looks like boba ice cream, which is so cool. The slimes, yeah, Snoop Slime slimes, the representation is just always there. I think they look very realistic. They smell great. And always end up being really great slimes. Of course, these slimes will inflate a lot due to the clay, and also when you play with a slime, it inflates more. So good thing she added some extra containers. This slime is getting very soft. I love butter slimes. They're one of my favorite textures, actually. They make your hands feel really nice after. I think these faux tapioca pearls add a good extra element. They're very cute. I think, yeah, they're plastic. And I'm glad they don't disappear because they're very cute. I would give this slime a solid 8 out of 10, maybe. I feel like there could be an extra little add-in for the price, but I definitely do like this slime, and I think it was worthwhile. Okay, so the reason I gave it an 8 out of 10 is because I feel as though this one was more of just like a show and then play with, but it was still interactive. I got to set it up, but it was a little more confusing. I didn't really know how to set it up. But the key lime pie one was a little easier, had more instruction just from looking at it. And I was a little less confused, like it was fun to make a pie, but I still really love this slime. And I think it's still, yeah, I love it, it's wonderful. But I do feel as though there should be an added little addition to it, and also it should be a little easier to figure out what to do with it. Today we had a lot of great slimes and a great variety of different textures and features, and I think I love them all for their uniqueness. And I'm just really happy today, so I hope you guys are too. Hope you enjoyed. This slime inflated, which I expect, the brown sugar boba, because I had that huge Daiso piece. It inflated this and this extra container worth. This one inflated about this much, which started getting clear. I left out this little inflated part to see how clear it would get and how many days. And then finally this one over here inflated the most, probably out of any of these. It had a lot of extra slimes, and it had, including that Daiso piece too. So yeah, I'm very happy. Maybe next year I could do the exact same thing, like order. It would be the 3rd year, so that would be super cool. And drop a comment if you guys think so too. Hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!